Now we need to add our second double peg wedge. And I'm putting it between the two blue pegs right here. See, they're right in between the two blue. And I'm going to loosen this one up and see, the sizing may be a little different, but see mine, there could be just a little thinner, but there. Because we want the second one in between the two purple with the slits facing out. This one, we want the slits facing back the other way. So I already tightened that one up. I'm putting the washer on top of this one because we will be removing this wedge in a little bit, and it's just easier if it's already on top. So there we go. Now we need to cast back on all these pegs. So, of course, my cat is laying on the yarn. Okay, we do a slip knot. We're going to do another chain cast on. And we're going to do it the exact same way, but we're going to be using these 3 on both sides and then the 2 peg wedges. So I'll get it started and then show you what it looks like. Okay, and then you do those and you go back to this peg right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now this string we can't exactly put down in there yet, so I just leave it hanging out and I'll pull it down when we take this wedge out. So these 2 will be flat stitch. These 2 will be flat stitch as well. We're going to be using just these pegs right here. We got 6, 7, 8. We got 10 pegs. So just these 10 pegs for the thumb. And the thumb is only 5 rows long. So what we're going to do is we will flat stitch this one, purl stitch, flat stitch, purl stitch, flat stitch, flat stitch, purl stitch, flat stitch, purl stitch. Do that for 5 rows.